Okay, I have taken out the wrap. Should be fully cooked by now. Wow, I can smell the herbal aroma. Yep, my paper wrap chicken is definitely ready. See how easy it is.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a 纸包鸡 paper wrap chicken. Nowadays it's very simple because you can get any of this ready mix powder outside. That inside also they provide the aluminium foil and the wrapping paper. So straight away we can use it. So all you need to do is just to prepare the chicken. I have few chicken parts here, approximately 1 kg. Right, you can use any brand that you can find from the supermarket here. Let me take it out. Let's see what they have inside. Alright. So they have this the mixed powders, ready mixed powders with some herbs, and also we have wrapping paper here, aluminium foil, and plastic wrap inside. So first of all, we shall marinate the chicken with this. Okay, open the wrap. Wow, I can smell the tang gui flavor is very strong. So actually we are, according to the instruction, we are supposed to marinate this for about 2 hours preferably. Today Appa doesn't have the 2 hours, so it should be alright. I'm using free range chicken today. A bit messy, sorry. So you want to make sure the whole your chicken is nicely coated with this powder, and then you let it marinate for 1-2 hours preferably, right? Then you spread out, open up the plastic given and also the aluminium foil. Let's adjust a little bit so that it looks nicer when it is cooked later. Corner to corner, wrap it up. Follow with the aluminium foil. Now, actually many people like to ask which side of the aluminium foil should be facing the meat. Actually, according to the official answer from the aluminium foil company, it doesn't matter. Both sides also can. Right? Then we can actually put this into oven and bake it. You either steam or bake it for approximately 1 hour. Okay, so I put the chicken inside the cast iron pot, and we are going to grill it for about 1 hour. Alright, this is after approximately 1 hour. Should be good enough lah. Let me very carefully bring this out, very hot. Okay, I have taken out the wrap. Should be fully cooked by now. Wow, I can smell the herbal aroma. Yep, my paper wrap chicken is definitely ready. See how easy it is. Home cooking doesn't have to be complicated. It can be very, very simple. Alright, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.